Alright, welcome back to another Yap Academy video, and this is about chromium, the most underrated element. So let's start with the periodic table here. As we can see, chromium is located on the 4th row and has atomic number 24. So let's start from the very beginning. German miners found this specific crystal and deemed it Serbian red lead. They were wondering what made it have such unique properties, and they thought it was either lead, arsenic, or molybdenum. It wasn't until 1797 when Louis-Nicolas Vauquelin discovered that it was actually a new element. In 1798, Louis Vauquelin Nicolas was able to isolate it by burning it with charcoal in this reaction. This was able to create pure chromium, which is lustrous and metallic, just like every other metal in the transition metal family. This here is the Bohr model and a Lewis dot structure of chromium. As you can see, this Bohr model has one valent electron, and that is the most common form of chromium. However, the one below is called hexavalent chromium, which has 6 valence electrons positioned like so. Here are the common isotopes. There is chromium 50, 51, which is used in blood cell research, 52, which is the most common one, 53, and 54. In emeralds, rubies, and alexandrite, chromium is the source of their beautiful and distinct colors, specifically alexandrite's unique property of having a changing color. This is how the name was actually derived, chroma meaning Greek for color. And actually, chromium oxide, CrO3, is used as a very common green pigment. Now over here, I have a stainless steel plan because once we start analyzing it, we see that the stainless steel is over 10% chromium. Why is that? First off, it prevents rust. When chromium rusts, it turns into chromium oxide, which is very, very hard and strong. 2, it increases the strength. Chromium by itself is a very strong metal and helps with the steel. And number 3, let's say you scratch it. Have you ever noticed that when you scratch stainless steel, it actually gets stronger? Because chromium actually forms a protective layer of, as I said before, chromium oxide, allowing pans to self-heal. Well, thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to Yap Academy.